Hello, my name is Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services. I'm going to speak about wireless switching. The system we're using is a Kinetic energy system. The setup has several advantages over traditional switches. 1. No wiring. This advanced technology eliminates the need for cumbersome and unsightly wires, not only simplifying the setup process but also making it possible to use the switch in a wide variety of locations. With a wireless switch, users can control the devices from a remote location, such as from a different room or even outside. This is particularly useful for controlling lights, fans and other appliances in the home, as well as for controlling various items of office equipment in the workplace. 2. Energy efficiency. The system uses a small amount of energy as it generates power through the kinetic energy of the user's interaction, making the switches a sustainable choice for smart home automation. This in turn reduces overall power consumption, which results in economic savings and contributes towards an improved carbon footprint. 3. Flexibility. Wireless switches don't rely on traditional wiring for power, which allows them to be placed in various locations without the constraints of wiring locations. They can be placed virtually anywhere within their communication range, providing flexibility in switch placement and room design. 4. Ease of installation. Wireless Kinetic switches are easy to install because they don't require any hard wiring or complex installation. Simply mounting the switch where desired and pairing it up with the compatible receivers or devices allows for the quick and hassle-free setup. This makes them an efficient and convenient option for those looking to add a switch to their home without the need for additional professional installation and cabling. 5. Reliability. Another advantage of the Kinetic wireless switch is that it's more reliable than traditional wired switches. Since the switch doesn't rely on a physical connection to the device, there's no risk of the switch becoming disconnected or damaged due to accidental impacts. This results in more dependable and stable experience, which is particularly important for professional applications. There's a wide range of receivers to choose from to serve real-life controlling requirements. We can have dimmable, non-dimmable and smart receivers. The smart receivers working with your smart Alexa or Google or even Siri. By using an app, the highest and lowest brightness level can be set up for a smart dimmer. This helps the performance and compatibility of the dimmer switch to suit more dimmable light fittings, whilst avoiding flicker and slow response issues that can be sometimes found with some of the smart dimmers. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.